Cats, are you looking to play some blues? I got the perfect clarinet solo for you. Let's check it out. Cats. Got cats on my shirt. Cats on YouTube. Let's do it. Before we get this video started, what's your favorite clarinet solo? Drop your answer in the comments. And stick around to the end of the video. There's a version of me playing Petite Fleur live at French Quarter Fest. All right, y'all, back to the video. What's going on, y'all? I'm playing at French Quarter Fest today. Got my coffee, got my saxophone, got my clarinet, and I'm gonna play 2 gigs today. One with Little Stompers, and that's a kids program through my nonprofit Second Line Arts. And then the Gregory Agid Quartet is back. We're playing at 2:30. Woo! I'm super excited. French Quarter Fest, let's do it. What's going on, y'all? My name is Gregory Agid, and today I wanted to share one of my all-time favorite clarinet solos, and that's the clarinet solo from Louis Armstrong's West End Blues. The solo we're gonna check out today is an incredible solo played by clarinetist Jimmy Strong. Y'all, this is a killing clarinet solo. It has great motivic development. It's bluesy. It's all in the low register of the clarinet. And in my opinion, that's one of the most characteristic traits of New Orleans style clarinet playing. And not only is it a great clarinet solo, but it's also a duet with Louis Armstrong. What could be better than playing with Louis Armstrong? You get to play with Pops. Y'all, the most important part of this clarinet solo is that it's playable. We can play along with this solo. And that's one of the most challenging parts of finding great solos to play along with. Most of these solos are just so freaking hard that it's almost impossible to play along with. Y'all, just to be real, this music is extremely complicated, and there's really no such thing as an easy jazz solo. So as a beginner, one of the most challenging aspects of transcribing is finding solos that you can play along with. As fun as it might be to spend 6 months working on 2 measures of a solo, it's actually also really important to be able to play along with the recording. You actually get an opportunity to feel what it feels like to play a great solo. You can match the phrasing, you can match the vibrato, you can match the tone. You get to feel what it feels like to play with the great rhythm section. And playing along with the original recording is a really important part of the process. This solo is a great place to start. West End Blues was originally composed by Louis Armstrong's mentor, King Oliver, and in the late 20s, Louis Armstrong re-recorded the song and actually created one of the most iconic trumpet cadenzas in all of music history. Just in case you were curious, West End is the name of a street here in New Orleans, and the street leads all the way to the lakefront on Lake Pontchartrain. So I guess back in the day, cats used to hang out at the West End on Lake Pontchartrain. That's how we get the West End Blues. I'm not gonna play the recording on this YouTube video because I don't wanna get a copyright strike, but I highly recommend that you listen to the original recording and you try and imitate the sounds that you're hearing on the record. I wanna take this opportunity to shout out one of my YouTube viewers. Rick, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate the super thanks. And this video is dedicated to you. A couple weeks ago, we were talking in the comments about finding a great transcription to play along with, and this solo on West End Blues came to mind. So Rick, I appreciate you, and this video is dedicated to you. Thank you. As always, I'm gonna get my clarinet. This solo is a great example of motivic development. There's a short motif, being ever so slightly changed throughout the chorus of the blues. It's simple, yet extremely soulful. This is an E-flat concert blues, F on the clarinet. The first four measures are over the chord F7, and he's playing A-flat, A, C, flat 3, 3, 5. Check it out. Then he makes a slight adjustment, keeping the bottom two notes the same, and then going to the sixth. Then he repeats the original phrase. Then he plays a little variation, going down to the 2. And he adds a little grace note in there. The first four measures sounds like this. Now we're at the 4 chord, and we're going to make a slight adjustment to the lick. We're going to play A flat, G, F, flat 3, 2, 1. And I'm thinking in the key of F here, flat 3, 2, 1. And if you want to think about it over a B flat 7, it's flat 7, 6, 5. But both melodically work over an F blues. I'm just saying, you know? Now we're back on the 1 chord, and we're going to play the original riff with a slight little variation like this. Now let's wrap it up and play the turnaround, which is the last 4 measures. All right, y'all, that's the clarinet solo on West End Blues. This is a great first transcription. It's bluesy, it's soulful, it's got the low register of the clarinet. There's not too many notes, and the best part is you can play along with the original recording. Y'all, please play along with the original recording. All of the information comes from the recording. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on your journey. If you all are enjoying my content and want to support me and my channel, please hit the subscribe button, give me a like, drop me a super thanks. If you want to visit my website, I have PDFs for sale over there. And if you want to get creative and show me some love in a different way, I would very much appreciate that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace.
Featuring American Isaiah Underwood, Jackson, Shaker on the drums. My name is Gregory Agid. Thank you all very much. Have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.